What's up, guys? Today we will be doing this RC road trip, and you guys should definitely stay to the end of this one because eventually my car gets stuck in the lake and you guys want to know what happened. Here we go. Whoa, guys. GoPro took a tumble there. That was fun, I bet, for you guys, but I have to retape it. Hey guys, so the car battery just died in that previous clip, but the video that you are watching right now is the video that was taken seconds before the car landed in the water. So without further ado, here we go. This is the moment you guys have all been waiting for. Hey guys, so right here I just got the car out of the lake, which I am happy about, and as far as I know, the car still works. But right here you guys can see these super nice people come along and they helped me out of the water because I had to jump in and get it. And then right here is where they are helping me get out of the water, and my legs are freezing and dirty at this point. Hey guys, so I just crashed the RC car into the lake and I jumped in to get it and I'm all wet now. I covered the car, it still works. We're good on that front, but my legs are cold and dirty. After I just rescued the car, I don't think I'm gonna do it anymore. I think I'm just gonna end the video here. Like, comment, subscribe, bye.